To transfer money from Payoneer to PayPal, you will need to have an account with both services. First, make sure you have a verified Payoneer account, as this is necessary for transferring funds. Next, ensure you have a verified PayPal account, as this will be the destination for the transfer. Start by logging into your Payoneer account and navigating to the Make a Payment section. Here, you will see the option to make a payment to a bank account or to another service. Since PayPal is not directly supported, you will need to use the bank transfer option. In order to do this, you will need to add your PayPal account as a bank account in Payoneer. To do this, go to the Manage Accounts section and click on Add Bank Account. Then select the country where your PayPal account is located and enter the routing and account numbers for your PayPal account. Once you have added your PayPal account as a bank account, you can proceed with the transfer. Go back to the Make a Payment section and select the PayPal account you just added. Enter the amount you want to transfer and select the currency. Review the details of the transfer, including the exchange rate and any fees that may apply. Payoneer may charge a fee for the transfer, and the exchange rate may not be favorable. Be sure to review these details carefully before confirming the transfer. Once you have confirmed the transfer, the funds will be sent to your PayPal account. It may take a few days for the funds to appear in your PayPal account, depending on the processing time of both Payoneer and PayPal. Be patient and keep an eye on your accounts to ensure the transfer is completed successfully. In summary, transferring money from Payoneer to PayPal requires you to add your PayPal account as a bank account in Payoneer. Then use the bank transfer option to send the funds. Be sure to review the details of the transfer carefully, including any fees and the exchange rate, to ensure a smooth and successful transfer.